Hello everyone. For this video, I'll be teaching you how to create your own style in Microsoft Word. As you can see here, I have heading. Go to home. I used heading 1 here and I made it bold with the size of 22. Put this back to normal. I'll select this heading and click on normal. Now it looks like this. Font size is 12 and font style is Calibre. Now I want to create a style and save it in the list of styles in Microsoft Word. So what I need to do is I'll select this word since ito yung lalagyan ko ng styling. I'll change the font color into dark blue, lighter than this one. And then better I'll use this one. I'll make this bigger. I'll change the font style, American typewriter, this one, bold, and centered. So this is our header. I want to save this styling and apply to the other parts of my document. So, ang gagawin natin, I'll select this word. I'll go here. Since these are the styling na ino-offer ng Microsoft Word, I'll click the style pane in new style. If you're using Microsoft Word in Windows, click nyo lang yung sa gilid and may makikita kayong create new style na button. Click on that. So for the Mac version, ganito siya. I'll click here, new style. I'll name it IT Toolbox Style. I'll leave the rest as is. As you can see, nakuha niyo yung formatting na American typewriter. The font style, size na 26, bold, and ito yung font color niya. So you can click on these options here, add to template or automatically update. I'll just click to add to quick style list. And then I'll click on OK. As you can see, ito na yung ginawa kong styling. Let's apply this to playlist word. So as you can see, parehas na sila. I'll undo. So here sa third page ng document ko, I'll create another heading. Upcoming playlists. So I'll select it and then I'll apply the style that we created. So madali lang, di ba? Same. So you can practice this one. Apply nyo yung styling na gusto nyo and then click on create new style. And then you will have an option on updating it or just as is. Tapos click nyo lang yung OK. Again, yours will be different kung ano yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa video ko kasi I'm using a Mac version of Microsoft Word. But the rest of the functions are the same. So that's how easy it is to create your own styling in Microsoft Word. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.